And we're live. Welcome back, everybody, to the KicknGravel Bitcoin market update. I am Aaron. Hello, hello, hello. Today is Tuesday, November 27th, 2018. And the coffee is flowing good today. I got up this morning and I subscribed to Jason for I really like him, and he said this in the video. Let me turn the volume up so you can hear it, and it just made me smile, right? So here it is.
So, anyways, just doing a little traveling. Again, I'm gonna tell you, crypto market real quick. It looks like it's going back on the green. It's already up a little bit, whatever. Again, nothing to brag about at this point in time. I mean, we got ways to go.
We got a ways to go, but he said it's going green, so I was like, all right, let's check it out. BTC USD on the 1-day chart for Coinbase. What? Where's the green? Man, this space is full of misinformation, and that is why I am here, people. Because every day there's some clown out there posting that this market is recovering, green shoots, it's going up, very bullish. At least here you can check in every day and say, the first thing we talk about is Bitcoin USD, and you can tell yourself exactly by looking at the chart what has been going on here since, well, this was the last real green day, so we're going to say since the 8th of November, and today is the 27th, so 19 days of fall off. There's no green shoots, Jay. What are you looking at? This is the day chart right here. This was yesterday. You woke up this morning, looked at this red candle, and said, green shoots. Damn. You had me looking. You told people in your Telegram that you're buying in Litecoin at 32 or 33 bucks in that video. It's at 29. So people that took your advice and bought then are already upside down big time by dollars. Man. Guys, there's a lot of disinfo out there. A lot of people smoking hopium saying we're going bull. We're not. Hold that cash. Hold it. Okay? This isn't to diss on Jay Snip. It's to point out that people don't know anything about market reading. And they still come out I could just go down the YouTube. It's crazy. It's crazy how many people. I want to do something real quick. I'm just going to see how many hours I'm on YouTube, right? Because I just look at Bitcoin, Litecoin stuff all day. How do you find that? Let's go into mine. Oh, time watched. Yesterday, 8 hours, 31 minutes of YouTube video I watched. The past week, 47 hours, 25 minutes. I have a daily average of almost 7 hours. Today, this morning alone, from this morning, 3 hours, 13 minutes running. Dude, I'm listening constantly to what's going on in this crypto space, and it is just full of BS. It gets real thick around here. And you know what's interesting is that in this crypto space, Tone Vase pointed this out, and I have to point it out again. There's nobody doing any real homework. I don't want to do the homework. I'm not doing it. I'm not good at that. But I'm saying people that are like Jay, and I don't mean to single him out, but he was, low hanging fruit, man. I gotta just point it out. He's got a lot of followers. They're doing what he does. They're doing what he says. They're buying at 32 or 33 bucks Litecoin, and it dumps to 28. It went to 28. It was at 28 earlier. Those people are ruined, and it's probably going lower. In my group, there's been rumblings and talk of $20 Litecoin. So if you bought at 32, you're missing out. It's not for sure. We don't do predictions. We just look at what the chart says. TA. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. So back to the Tone Vase thing. He quickly pointed out that nobody in the entire crypto space did any homework on this Bitcoin Cash thing when it was going to do the split and the civil war that was going to break out. In 10 minutes of research, he figured it all out. He was like, what the heck? How come no one's talking about this? Oh, because nobody does any homework. Nobody knows what they're talking about. They go just around talking. It's an echo chamber. And one or two people say something, and then everybody's just yap, doing their own same thing. I'm done. I'm done with this rant. Let's get on with the markets, where we will look at real price. Okay? We will learn and look at real price together daily, every day, to see where it could go, up or down. Could go. We don't say, I see green shoots, looking at a gigantic red candle followed by an even smaller red. Way lower. I mean, from the day chart, yesterday's high was 4,078. Today's high is 4,078. Today's high is 3,800. You're almost a $300 difference that it went down. $300 down from yesterday's high to today's high so far. That's not green shoots, Jay. Oh boy. All right. BTC USD on the 1-day chart for Coinbase. Don't buy it. Okay? Don't buy it. Not yet. It's coming. Let's look at the 4-hour. Here we go. Yeah, I don't mean to single out Jay, but I could do that all day long, just calling out YouTubers. You suck. Stop doing that. You're ruining people. 4-hour chart. Look at this. Sell off, bounce, rejection, coming back down. I mean, it is so low right now. It's crazy. And I'm not seeing recovery yet. Not yet. This is still looking like a real option right here. I'm going to move it over. But that 3,000 is still looking like a serious option right now. I don't see much change. Do you see this 9-period moving average, this white line? It can't even get above it. I mean, we haven't had, this one was the closest. It was on the line. But I need a real open and close above the line like this. See that? There. Now you went bullish. The next day, or the next 4 hours, completely rejected. Back down below the line. Over here, nothing. This one had a wick down below the line. So even that didn't open and close above the 9-day moving average. It is so bearish right now. It's crazy. And that's cool. I'm not angry about the price. If the price goes to 10 cents, I'm not going to be angry about the price. I'm just going to look at it as another awesome trading opportunity when I see the market signal a reversal. LTC USD on the, let's start out on the 1 day chart. The 1 day, just as bad. $29.33. It's all good. Hold that cash. You know, I'm here to talk about prices for real prices so you can make an educated decision on how to be on the right side of the trade, on when to get in. Okay, 4-hour chart. Bearish. Real bad. No good. Don't buy it. Hold that cash. Ethereum. Ethereum is 104.98. It has moved up. I think yesterday we were talking I think it was a little lower. I can't honestly I can't remember. But it's still not a buy. There's nothing here. Don't buy it. Not yet. Not yet. Wait for the market to go bull and get in with the trend. TRX, Tron. Okay. Interesting thing about Tron. Actually, you know, I'm going to save it for hopefully tomorrow's. I'll have it ready for you. Because interesting thing about the Tron network is it has probably number 3 or number 4 in transactions. So without me showing you, I'm just telling you that the Tron network has movement. And when I look at transactions, I believe I kind of equate like transactions as money velocity. So in order for a coin not to be stagnant and die, like the dollar needs money velocity, otherwise it goes stagnant and dies. You need money velocity to transact. So when you have money velocity, it also is an indicator of the faith that people have in it. So when I say to you, hey, you want some Tron? You say, yeah, I want some Tron. That means that there's an agreement here that we believe that this network is solid and strong, that this Tron network has value. So I just wanted to put that out there because Tron is one of my favorite Gen 3 coins. And one of the ones that out of the Gen 3s that I hold the most, I was in EOS and that I kicked that one to the curb. But I do like TRX right now. So that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is just me showing a chart and showing you or telling you how I feel. Which is disgruntled and grumpy. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning, boy. Yeah, especially hearing this stuff repeatedly. He's not the only one. Let's check out Populous, PPT. Oh, real quick on Tron. Tron's currently at 308. Not a buy yet. It's not doing it yet. And on the 1 day chart, let's take a look at that. Yeah, see as I squish up. This is way back in January of this year. January 2018 had a nice, beautiful spike, and this pulled way back. This spike went all the way up to 2043, and we're currently at 309. That's a big dip. That's a real big dip. So, who knows? Populous PPT. Let's take a look at this guy on the day chart. We're currently at 4601. No, sorry, we're not. We're currently at 3740. Yeah, I wish it was up here. That means that we'd be starting to pull ourselves out of here. But Populous has been just smashed down pretty hard, but it's working on it. OMG on the day chart is 361 Satoshis. The 1 day on Binance. Don't buy it. Theta. Oh, Theta gave me a red day. We're still hoping for this double top here, right? But it looks like looking at this candle that it came down to that moving average and bounced. So we may get more continuation. It's possible. More continuation on the upside. Yeah, this isn't totally bearish yet on the 4-hour chart, but theta's still looking strong. I've been really liking this. Moving on to Digibyte. Digibyte. Heck yeah. Look at that 4-hour chart. Let's move up to the day so you can kind of see a bigger picture. Boom. Okay, day chart for Digibyte. Very solid. Very solid. That's beautiful. Well, we've been tracking this and we've been watching it. Remember yesterday I was like, okay, I saw it down here and I said, I like it. Digibyte's a buy. And now look at what we've got after that. That's telling you what's right, not trying to mislead you. Okay? Pay token. Let's get in on it. Nope, we're not getting in on it. Pay is not a buy yet. Not even close. Proppy, no. Human IQ, no. 0x, no. Basic attention token, not enough information. What do we got here on XLM Stellar Lumens? I told you to get out at 42.37. The current price is 37.30. That was a good call. Awesome. Hey, you know what? When this thing turns around, I'll tell you to buy it. If I see a good buy signal, I will tell you what I think, right? But there's nothing good here yet. Nothing good here. Moving on to NPX. Pundix. Hold your cash. Don't you buy it yet. Don't do it. QLC. Let's look at the day chart. QLC. Nothing to see here yet. It's getting close though. It's actually, QLC is battling right now to try to get a foothold, but we've seen footholds before and it just keeps slipping. So I'm not getting faked out by this yet. I need domination. I need to see it work. I need to see it dominate. We're gonna have trouble with this one. Actually, is Ion, AION, for the 4-hour chart, starting to get a foothold, trying. Yeah, don't buy it. And Ion. This is on Bittrex on the 1 day. It's at 6062. All right, guys, that's it for today. Let's get back to Bitcoin. BTC USD on the 1 day chart. There it is. So, to my knowledge, this is the highest percentage move right here. That's going to keep continuing to go down to 3,000. That's our support level that we are looking at, and hey, it may go down there, or it may not. Okay, but I don't see a buy signal here yet. Like, out of all these coins, Bitcoin, Litecoin, they're not looking like buys right now. And but I'll tell you if I see a buy. Okay, you'll hear it from me. You definitely will. And I won't tell you, oh, you should get this, and it go up and dump on you. Like, yeah, it's possible. Anything can happen, but at least you know you're getting some information from a decent TA source. And let me tell you, I am not the best TA guy out there. But, no, you know what? I'm not even a good TA guy. That's why I'm telling you don't take my advice, okay? I'm just putting my information out there. Because as bad as my TA is, and as bad as I am at chart reading, it's still light years ahead of what these clowns are pushing out there. So be careful. That's why you got to educate yourself if you're actual trying to put money in this system and trade. Okay? All right. That's my rant for the day. Sorry to be so negative. It's like, but boy, oh boy, I could pull 6, 7, 8 more videos out on YouTube today alone that are false readings on the market. It's all good though. You boys have a blessed day. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys get some coffee if you haven't already. What are we on? Cup number 3? That might be why I'm riled up. God bless you guys. Speak truth. I will say that. Speak truth. Don't spread FUD. Speak plain. Be kind to each other. And I don't know. Be the best humans you can possibly be. I'm out of here. See ya.